Did you know that nature has been hiding powerful luck charms all around us? Beyond the famous amber, acorns aren't just squirrel food. They're ancient symbols of potential and strength. Found a four-leaf clover? You've discovered something that appears just once in 10,000 clovers. That old horseshoe? Hang it in a U shape to catch good fortune. Even pine cones carry ancient symbolism of abundance and fertility. And that sea glass you collected at the beach? It's not just pretty, it represents beautiful transformation after struggle. Next time you're outdoors, look closer. Your next lucky charm might be waiting right under your feet, courtesy of Mother Nature herself.